God, what is that? Phew, it's just the alarm clock. Oh, goody, it's raining. And why is it cold? Oh, good, it's raining in the air conditioner. Ugh, I didn't know that it was raining. This is gonna be hard. Okay, so I'm just gonna go wake up the kids because this is gonna be a hard day. But yeah, it is gonna be a hard day. So yeah, but it's very cool here in our room. Okay, so I'm just gonna go upstairs. And yeah. So now we're upstairs here at the 3rd floor. Now we're just going to wake up Destiny first because it's the first room that I see here. Yep, that's the first room that I see. So I'm going to wake up Destiny. So, yeah. Destiny, it's time to wake up. It's raining day, you know what it means. Destiny. It's raining today. What did I just hear raining? No, you heard waking up. Now get up. Yes, raining. Now you can change your clothes now. And I'm just gonna wake up your sister and your brothers, okay? Okay. I'm so excited. It's raining today. I can't believe it. Okay, so now we are going. Okay. I can't believe this. It's raining. Okay, now I get to me. Okay, Mom, I'm all set up. I can go to the elevator, okay. Taylor, wake up. It's raining day. You know what it means. Taylor, you can go to Splashy Splash like Peppa Pig. Rainy day. I love rainy day. I gotta go change now. Okay. So now I got to change. Okay. We're just going to. I can't put the shirt on. Okay, now let's just change and we better be ready. If Mom doesn't see us ready, she's gonna be exploded. Okay, now I'm all ready since our room is very, very cold here. I like wearing sweatshirts though. So yeah. Ayla, wake up. It's raining. We can be like Peppa Pig. Ayla, please wake up. It's raining. We want to play with you. Raining? Did I hear raining? Yeah, you did. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah. This is so exciting. Now I'm just gonna go change clothes. And yeah, change clothes. Yeah, change clothes now, Ayla, now. Okay. So yeah, I'm change, baby. I'm so excited because it's raining and we get to be like Peppa Pig. Oh yeah, George is like favorite, so I'm so excited. the elevator now, finally. Still a little bit sleepy though. Guys, it's already like 12 a.m. here at our country. Look who's... Good morning, honey. We could go on. Good morning. It's raining today. Oh, you're so beautiful, baby. Okay, I'm just gonna get like some... I'm gonna change your clothes because, like, bro, it's freezing cold. But yeah, it's freezing cold. So I'm changing you. Oh, look at that cute little girl. You're so beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna put you. Okay, no, we're gonna put that white scar. So yeah, this is gonna be so possum. Possum is possum. Oh, look at that baby girl. Oh, she's so cute. Now let's just go out of the raining and your sister's over there. Let's change up and get your stroller. So we're gonna be so protective to you because babies are like so easy to have sickness. So we're gonna put you in a stroller. You can't be carrying because we're protective to you. Yep, we are protective to you. So protective. Okay, no, I don't think that matches our outfit. We're gonna match the stroller. Okay. Wait. I love my hair so much. Okay, so now let's go and I think we can go to the rain now. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of her room. Let's go. Muddy puddles, muddy puddles, muddy puddles, muddy puddles, muddy puddles, rainy 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 puddles, rainy, rainy, rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy, rain, rainy puddles, rainy, rainy, rainy puddles, rainy, rainy, rainy puddles, 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 rainy 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 puddles, 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 puddles. Rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy, rainy, rainy puddles, 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 puddles. Okay, we're gonna go get the kids now. It's been a long time saying the rain puddles. Okay, I'm gonna go get the kids. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna go get the kids. I'm gonna get the kids. I'm gonna get the kids. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the kids. Rainy puddles, rainy puddles, rainy puddles. Kids, it's time to go home. We can be refreshed tomorrow. I see the news. It's raining tomorrow. Come on, it's not the last day of raining, honey. Ayla, Taylor, Destiny, it's time to go now. Ayla, Taylor, Destiny. 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 Are you guys even listening to me? Please, for once. Ayla, Taylor, Destiny. Ayla, Taylor, Destiny. Get out of the puddles. Okay. Jeez, Mom. Are you guys serious right now? I'm so sorry. We're gonna get out the puddles now, okay? Okay, guys, so now we are all refreshed, all done with those 3 outfits that you can see earlier. So now I'm so happy. We can be cozy. The kids are cozy. Destiny's cozy. Jaden's cozy. Our daughter's Kayla's cozy. Ayla's cozy. And last but not least, Taylor's cozy. I am so excited because we're all cozy. And I can't wait to lay over bed. And since Ayla and Kayla are hungry, and they want like little apple bites and banana bites. So yeah, we're just gonna put this decoration around because that's not real apple. You guys thinking that's real apple? That's not real apple. So yeah, I don't mind the background music. It's just a dog barking because it's like already nighttime. So this is like small bites, small apple bites, and banana small apple bites. So we're gonna pick for Kayla May, our youngest daughter, for like banana bites. So yeah, we're just gonna put Kayla May in the high chair so all you guys know, because Kayla May is still a baby, like a month old. She's like 10 months. No, not 10 months. But she's like a baby, but I don't know how old she is. Like maybe 4 months or 5, maybe 7 months, because she's already opening her eyes. So I'm just gonna chop off the small bites off the apples. Sorry guys for the background music, for the dogs. Don't mind it, mind the video. So, yeah. Apple bites, bananas for Kayla May, apple is for Ayla. So, hey, Ella, I'm gonna wash my hands first. Shush. Okay, now rinse it off. Okay, wait, there's like things tangled in my body. Okay, now I'm just gonna shake this apple bite and like there. Wait, I'm not putting it there. So you want 2 in it? But I want 2. Okay, here you go, girl. So I decided to put it. There we go. And now I'm just gonna cut the small banana bites for Kayla. So yeah, it's Ayla and Kayla. What a nice name. So now let's put we're gonna eat this small bite. Okay, but you can take these banana bites now because I don't think your sister likes it. Okay, it's all anyways. Okay, that's good. just gonna put this banana bites and put the decoration back there. Okay, now I'm gonna eat the apple bites. Mommy, don't leave me. Don't leave. I'm not going. Okay. Just gonna put the chair beside your sister. Because she's still a baby, you know. Babies are going to go. Ha 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 ha. Yum, 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 yum. This is so good. Okay, don't mind the micro music, but just some more. Okay, I think you guys are all done. Are you done? Yes. Drink water. How about coffee? No, not a lot of coffee. There's just like 3. No. Oh man! Seriously? Okay, now I'm just gonna sit. Okay, come on now. I think we're gonna be sleepy. It's already like 10 p.m. So guys. Okay, I'm just gonna shake this bottle because Kayla thinks there's more, but there's no. Okay, guys, in 11, sleep. Okay. Okay. This beautiful baby looks so beautiful. I'm just gonna go to your room, and now we can go. Now we can go to your room. Let's go up, and maybe I can watch some news and stuff. So, okay, I think you're hungry again. I'm hungry again, seriously. Okay, wait. I'm just going to rock you so you can fall asleep because it's like already 10:40 in the night, and when it's 11, this baby, she's gonna make it. She's not gonna make it because she's already sleepy, and so we're gonna rock and rock and rock and rock and rock her in. Rock her in. So, yeah, she's supposed to be sleeping by now because babies need to wake up early so the parents can be waking up early. Okay, now she's already asleep. Now let's go to her room, and this is gonna be a lot of music. Okay, let's go to the elevator to go to your room. I'm sleepy. Okay, Cameron, excuse there. I'm sitting there. Okay. Guys, it's almost 11. You guys are sleeping in 11:10. Okay, some movies. Okay, it's quite boring here in our living room, and I can't do anything. But yeah. So now we are going. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here to see if there's any movies to watch or some news. You know, guys, that's how I know it. Okay, I'm just gonna scroll on this phone. On my phone, I guess. Why did I say? Oh, okay, it's a random number, but I don't know who is this. ChatGPT. Why do they say ChatGPT? ChatGPT. Okay, Mom. Where's Destiny, anyways? And Dad. Why are you using her phone? That's not your phone. You're just lying. Really? Am I? Yeah, you are. Okay, baby has farts. So I'm just gonna put her some more formula to make this baby asleep. So yeah. this formula because this formula is way better than the other formulas I bought for Kayla. Okay, now I'm just gonna get the powder and just shake it, and put it. And hand it and beep. Now I'm just gonna shake it again. Oh, this is hot. I'm gonna change it. Okay, guys. So now we change it. This water bottle. I'll make this milk, and I'm going to put it in the thing. Okay, this is good for her now. Now I'm gonna walk by the crib to feed her. Okay, now I'm gonna take this drink. Oh, no. Shh. That's okay. Okay, good. Now she stopped crying. Oh, good. You're awake again. Baby, you have to sleep by now. Okay, I'm just gonna walk you because it's already 11. I think the kids are still awake and I think they're doing our routine. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Aw, look good, you're sleeping. Okay, I'm gonna put you. What? This is nothing. You're still awake again. You're supposed to be sleeping in here. Baby. You're supposed to be sleeping by now. Okay. Okay, good. Look, I think you're falling asleep. Okay, good. Now you're asleep. I'm gonna say bye-bye to you guys. Okay, good. Now you're asleep. This is gonna be a long time. So, I'm gonna go through. So, bye guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification for more videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.